Welcome to Port Macquarie, one of Australia's great getaways. Here in the heart of the holiday coast, Port Macquarie is one of my favourite holiday destinations for a whole heap of reasons. Firstly, it's incredibly beautiful. Beaches, mountains, rivers, waterways, rainforest. Port Macquarie has got the lot. The beaches are immaculate, and there are a host of winding coastal drives and leisurely walks, which give breathtaking views of the coastline. But for me, one of the best things about Port Macquarie are the waterways. With 3 major river systems nearby, the Hastings, Maria and Camden Haven, Port Macquarie offers just about every type of water activity imaginable. Another thing I love about Port Macquarie is the rugged contrast of the mountain hinterland. Within a few minutes' drive from the beach, you can be amidst the majestic splendour of North Brother Mountain, bushwalking amongst the lush green rainforest, or exploring the picturesque mountain towns of Kendall and Comboyne. With quaint country tea houses and a leisurely pace of life, the hinterland is absolutely delightful. Port Macquarie also has its fair share of history. First settled in 1818, the present-day town has some wonderful historic buildings. There are 2 extensive museums which give fascinating insight into the region's maritime and convict history. You can really get a flavour of how the region was in times gone by. On top of all this, Port Macquarie has more theme parks, attractions and activities than just about any other region in the state. There's just so much to do. How about a beach safari on one of these little beauties? A camel safari is great fun for everyone. There's a choice of 20-minute, 1 hour and even gourmet picnic rides. Welcome to Peppermint Park, one of Port Macquarie's major tourism attractions, and it's acres of fun. With pedal-powered go-karts and a rollerblading rink, this is definitely a hands-on park. Splashdown on the water slides. There's even one for little children. Monkey around a bit with the wildlife. There's something for everyone at Peppermint Park, and I guarantee it's a great day out for the whole family. This is Fantasy Glades, winner of the state's highest tourism award and winner of an Australian Tourism Award for excellence. At Fantasy Glades, magic and fantasy come alive. Set amongst 6 acres of enchanted rainforest, Fantasy Glades is a world of magical buildings and fantasy animation. Ride a train through the rainforest. Climb a 3-storey crooked house. Lunch with the dinosaurs. It's magic for children and fun for adults. For all who enter, Port Macquarie's largest and most visited theme park, Fantasy Glades, brings magic and fantasy to life. Here at Timbertown, things are a little more down to earth, authentically recreated to depict life in early Australia. Timbertown is an entire working village. At Timbertown, you turn back the clock. Spend the day with our pioneers. The blacksmith, leather worker, printer and craftsman. And don't miss out on the wagon rides. Or a trip on the steam train. There's a lot of good old-fashioned fun and entertainment, plus great food and friendly people. Timbertown is both educational and fun for all ages. If you go back in time, much of this area would have been covered by rainforest, and Sea Acres Rainforest Centre gives you the opportunity to experience this unique aspect of the region. Sea Acres is one of the largest fragments of coastal rainforest left in New South Wales. It provides an excellent opportunity to view close up many of Australia's rainforest species in their natural habitat. I can recommend the guided tour along the elevated boardwalk and the world-class ecology display room and cinema. After your walk, dine indoors or under the palms in the centre's superb Rainforest Cafe. At Sea Acres, you can explore the magic and richness of the rainforest, the most important vegetation on our planet. During your stay, don't miss a visit to the superbly appointed Cassegrain Hastings River Winery. Sample the extensive range of Cassegrain locally produced wines, or simply relax over a delicious meal in the Veranda restaurant. Take the time for a winery tour or a stroll through the magnificent vineyards and gardens. With picnic facilities, barbecues and children's playground, Cassegrain Winery is a great day out. And don't forget, Cassegrain Winery is renowned for their fabulous concerts, in particular the Discovery concert held annually each October. At the Big Bull in Wauchope, you can even play tourist down on the farm. You'll be amazed to discover that the Big Bull actually houses an entire 2-storey restaurant and a gift shop. The animal nursery gives kids a hands-on experience of life on the farm and is heaps of fun. Another rural attraction well worth a visit is the Norfolk Punch factory in Kendal. Set in picturesque herbal gardens, the delightful brick factory provides a chance to see the famous herbal punch and unique herbal products being made. In Port Macquarie, the range of things to see and do just goes on and on. Model train displays, the observatory, arts and craft centres, potteries. Port is packed with great days out and some equally great ways to get there. You can take a luxury coach, a 4-wheel drive or even a Harley Davidson. One of the places where it all happens is down here on the waterways, and there's certainly plenty of scope. If you want to take in the sights of the river, Port Venture offers the most extensive Hastings River cruises. With 3 spacious decks, there's lots of room to stroll around. You can join Port Venture for either their scenic, barbecue or candlelight dinner cruises. Port Venture offers the best dolphin spotting cruises on the river. There's a fantastic historical commentary and the friendly crew will be happy to have you aboard. There are heaps of other cruise operators to choose from too. From the nostalgic flavour of the Pelican and historic river cruiser to the ultra-modern twin-hulled Fantasy 2, or there's the Everglade Water Bus Tour. And with game fishing vessels like the Sequest fishing charters and Top Cat fishing charters, you're bound to catch a whopper. If you prefer to get your kicks in the air, a visit to the High Adventure Air Park is a must. Experience the thrill of a lifetime. Picture yourself with a bird's eye view of the spectacular countryside of Port Macquarie from a tandem hang glider or motorised flight. High Adventure Air Park also offers holiday farm stay accommodation on 500 picturesque acres surrounded by lake and deep river frontage. Soon to come are cable hang gliding and airboats. If you're really ambitious, the sky's the limit at coastal skydiving. The really energetic can take a dive, cut loose at the paintball skirmish, and round off the day with a canoe safari. 4-wheel drive safaris are available from Macquarie Mountain Tours. The land cruisers are all air-conditioned, so climb aboard for a great chance to explore the rugged wilderness of the hinterland. The list of sports activities available in Port is endless. If you're a golfer, you're really in luck. Port Macquarie has 5 options: the Golf Practice Range, Emerald Downs Golf Estate, Port Macquarie Golf Club, Camden Haven Golf Club and Wauchope Country Club. There's also a mini golf course, tennis and squash facilities, horse riding and abseiling courses. And of course the full gamut of water sports from water skiing to scuba diving. Port is such a great place to visit that many holidaymakers and retirees choose to settle here. Port Macquarie is one of Australia's major growth regions. With around 4,000 businesses in the area, the Port Macquarie Chamber of Commerce represents a thriving business community. This, combined with the region's central location and road, rail and air transport options, make Port Macquarie an ideal place to relocate or start a business. If you're interested, the Hastings Economic Development Office provides an excellent information kit on lifestyle and business opportunities. The good news for tourists is there's a huge diversity of shops to choose from. Settlement City is one of the largest complexes and boasts 58 stores, including all the family favourites. At a little more sedate pace, Wauchope, the gateway to the hinterland, offers welcoming country hospitality within a quaint historic setting. If you care to explore further afield, Taree to the south offers a very pleasant day trip. The arts and craft town of Tanoni has some excellent boutique stores. And the Taree area is full of lush natural attractions. Both Wingham Brush and cascading Ellenborough Falls are well worth a visit. To the north, the beautiful Macleay Valley is just a half-hour's drive away. It's another great day trip. Things to put on the visit list are the award-winning museum in Kempsey, historic Trial Bay Gaol at Southwest Rocks, and the National Trust village of Bellbrook. And don't forget to check out the swell at surfing mecca, Crescent Head, or to while away a few hours in nature's wonderland. So when you come to Port Macquarie, where do you stay? Well, Port has got the lot. From five-star resorts, holiday units, modern motels, tourist parks to farm stays. A good place to start is the Holiday Units Association. They endorse an extensive range of quality accommodation, which is all fully self-contained, NRMA rated, and all resident-owned or managed. If you prefer a motel, then you won't be disappointed with the incredible variety that Port has to offer. There are motels to suit families, singles, the budget holiday maker, and of course honeymooners, with suites overlooking the ocean, river or lush gardens. Many of Port's motels boast a wide range of recreational facilities: gyms, swimming pools, spas, restaurants and barbecue facilities. At Port Macquarie there's something for everyone. Motel Mid-Pacific, set in subtropical gardens, is not only well equipped and comfortable, but also conveniently located. Likewise, Macquarie Barracks Motel, with its private courtyard and quiet modern units, is ideally located close to beaches, shops and entertainment. Shelley Beach Resort is the ideal place for a family holiday. It offers spacious townhouse apartments, great amenities and is close to the beach and local attractions. Another great family holiday retreat is the Edgewater Holiday Park. With ferry trips, boat hire, waterfront barbecues, pool and mini-golf, it's well located with excellent facilities. The El Paso Motor Inn in the middle of town has it all: location, water views, deluxe suites, heated pool and spa and superb facilities. With spectacular views of Town Beach and the river entrance, McEwer's Sandcastle on the beach offers fine facilities, quality accommodation and impeccable service. Relax and enjoy fine dining at the Filou restaurant and after-dinner cocktails beside the pool. A well-known site in Port Macquarie is Sails Resort, and people come here for only one reason: to be pampered. Sails Resort offers guests the perfect combination: luxury waterfront accommodation, sumptuous romantic dining, the very highest standard of fine facilities, and a unique brand of friendly yet unobtrusive service. Only a wood chip toss from Timbertown at Wauchope, you'll discover warm country hospitality at the Broadaxe Motel and Caravan Park Tourist Centre, with its range of accommodation surrounded by natural bushland and coastal beauty. Port Macquarie is also a great place to be after dark. There are plenty of night spots, clubs, live bands, entertainment and restaurants. Port Macquarie RSL Club is right on the waterfront and offers a complete family entertainment centre. Stunning design and innovative concepts combined with quality-friendly service make for a great night out. There are reasonably priced restaurants, cafes, bars, lounges and of course some of the most advanced gaming machines to be found anywhere on Australia's holiday coast. The kids will love their own play area, which adjoins the very popular Terrace Bistro. Port Macquarie RSL has the best of everything just for you. Another great night spot is the Westport Bowling Club, right in the centre of town. With restaurants, bistros, bars and entertainment, Westport Bowling Club is a one-stop night out. Thanks, that'd be great. The best thing about dining out in Port is the huge variety of restaurants and cafes right here in town. Many of Port's restaurants are situated in idyllic waterfront locations and the choice is outstanding. From family eating sidewalk cafes to a la carte restaurants. And of course, Port's specialty, seafood. If you're eating on the run, there's the usual family fast food favourites. If you're here at the right time of year, you might even catch the Port Macquarie Food and Wine Festival. The local restaurants and wineries take to the streets for a gourmet extravaganza. So there you have it, Port Macquarie by day and Port Macquarie by night. More attractions than anywhere else in the state, a host of cruises, tours and excursions, just about every kind of water and sports activity imaginable, great places to stay, great places to eat and great nights out. And it's all just a few hours drive away. If you decide not to drive, both Impulse and Eastern Airlines do great deals on flights, or you can catch the XPT to Wauchope. If you want any more information about any of the things you've seen in this video, simply phone the Port Macquarie Visitors Information Centre, toll free on 1800 025 935. They'll be happy to fill you in on all the details and even help you with your bookings. When you arrive in Port, make the Visitors Information Centre your first port of call. They'll provide you with maps and help you familiarise yourself with the area. When you finish with this video, pass it on to a friend. But don't forget to bring it with you when you visit Port Macquarie and hand it in at the Visitors Information Centre for your chance to win a free camcorder just like this one. Have a fabulous holiday at the Great Getaway, Port Macquarie.